what is the spread? Let's understand today the word spread. Very important, especially when you are doing option buying or option writing. This is extremely important, even in stocks. So, a stock market has got an ask and a bid. Okay. Bid is, buyer, and ask is seller. Bid is the buyer. So this is one thing everybody should understand. Ask and the bid. So today let's touch a very simple topic. Ask and bid. Okay. So who's bidding? The buyer. Bid is the buyer. So would the buyer want the stock cheap or expensive? Yes, think and tell me. Good morning everybody. जो बायर है वो स्टॉक को कम में लेना पसंद करेगा या ज्यादा में लेना पसंद? चीप. वेरी गुड मधु. चीप. And the ask, the seller, this is the seller. So ask is the seller and bid is the buyer. So अब एक एग्जाम्पल से देख लेते हैं हम लोग. Like for example, if I'm looking in this, let's say I'm looking in this and I have this option, Nifty call of 24,800. So what is the ask? The ask is here and this is the bid, 31.5 and offer is 31.5. Seller को ज़्यादा में बेचना है, buyer को कम में खरीदना है, and this is an electronic marketplace. It is exactly the same as your sabji mandi. Now, so the tighter the spread, you want a tight spread. You want a tight spread. आपको एक tight spread चाहिए. Because if spread is wide, you will lose money. We'll go into some lose also, but you want a tight spread. Like the Nifty has a lot size of 65. So if I go into this one, so here ask is 31.3, bid is 31.2. 31.2 minus 31.05. So the spread is 0.15. Spread is 0.15 into the lot size of 65, which is 9 rupees and 75 paisa. 9 rupees and 75 paisa is the spread here. And if let's say he buys, this is the spread. If he sells, this is the spread. So his cost of doing business is 19.5 rupees. 19 रुपए 50 पैसा is the cost of doing business. Right? And what are we divided by? और कितने पे है ये? 65 into 31 roughly. 2015. So it is 19 divided by 2015 into 100. 0.94% is the cost of doing business. Ideally, when you are trading, your spread should never be more than 2%. That is the maximum spread you can go for. Sometimes you will have a stock where ask is 20 rupees and bid is 23 rupees. So that is a 15% spread. Any question on spread, guys? We want tight spreads.
Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not investment advice or a buy or sell recommendation. Securities market investment are subject to market risk. It should not be treated as investment advice, trading advice, a stock recommendation, or a direct offer to buy, sell or hold any security, derivative, or financial instrument. The views shared are based on publicly available information, market observation, technical or fundamental study, and the personal interpretation of SEBI-registered Research Analyst at the time of communication. Market condition may change quickly, and the information may become outdated. Investing and trading in securities market involves risk, including the possible loss of capital. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Viewers, readers, and participants should make their own independent assessment and consult their financial advisor before making any investment and trading decision. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision.